Let's take a sneak peek at how Traverse PC does surfaces. I've opened up the Learn Contours file that ships with Traverse PC, and we've shot an existing stockpile of 3-inch rock here, and we've just created a little border traverse around it to show where the extents of the rock were. That's the solid line. And I'm going to right-click this topo that has 20 shots in it. I'm going to say Create Surface from the selected traverse. Just a real simple way, one of many ways to create a surface real quickly. I'm going to tell Traverse PC that we want to use all the topo points in this traverse. And when I selected that traverse and said that I want to create a contour, Traverse PC made all those points topo shots. And I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to go to the existing boundary. So here's what my surface looks like. And I've got some basic information about the area of that. And I can go ahead and add that to a report. I'm also going to go into volumes because that's what I'm after here, a stockpile volume. So we're going to go ahead and click on the to border option. I can also get the volume to an elevation or to another surface. Then let's also tell Traverse PC we want to shade this in. Now this is going to be reported as a cut because the border is at a 0 elevation. Let's go ahead and compute that. We're going to add that information, that shading to the drawing. Then we're going to add it to the summary down here. So now we've got our cubic volume of 18,806 cubic yards in that stockpile. And really that's all we need to do with the surface here. Traverse PC has actually created that surface in the Surfaces Manager. So let's come up and tell Traverse PC we want to look at the surfaces. So here's our surface. We called it the Topo 31102, but let's call it a 3-inch stockpile, because I might have a number of these that I want to create volumes for. And then let's go ahead and export this to CAD and see what we get. So let's go ahead and choose Tools, Export Drawing As. We'll choose AutoCAD DWG and simply export it. If we've exported previously, we can overwrite. And here's that surface in AutoCAD. Notice we've got the shading, we've got the contours, we've got all the labels, and those yellow lines are the polyface mesh. And of course, because this is all 3D now, we can easily come into this and say, here's what our surface looks like in 3D, and we can come in and turn off whatever we want to turn off. But that's just a real quick look at how Traverse PC does surfaces. They're wickedly simple, wickedly easy to do. I've got all my information there, and you can look at other videos for slope analysis, for cut and fill cut sheets, for exclusions, a lot of neat things we do with surfaces in Traverse PC.